This is the luckiest man in the world. His peanuts were soaked in rain. He thought he'd lose everything, but instead, he made $8 million. The soaked peanuts started to sprout. Everyone else threw them away, but he spent 3 days studying them. Finally, he had an idea. He'd turn them into a top-tier veggie, peanut sprouts. Ever heard of peanut sprouts? They're a hot item in fancy restaurants. Unlike mung bean sprouts, peanut sprouts grow from whole peanuts. They sprout with white roots, thick stems, and pink tips. They're packed with resveratrol, peanut polyphenols, and plant protein. The best part? They're crunchy, fragrant, and taste like a mix of bamboo shoots and tofu. Making peanut sprouts is a process. First, soak the peanuts for 24 hours. Then, place them in a temperature-controlled room. Spray them, block the light, and keep them moist. After 7 days, the peanut sprouts emerge, looking like jade. Farmers carefully harvest and package them. 1 pound can sell for up to $15. What was once a disaster field is now his most profitable secret factory. It's not a miracle, it's the wisdom of Chinese farmers, turning wasted peanuts into a health food sensation.